everyone, my name is Andrea Ansel, Director of Design at FTD. As we prepare for the holidays, I'm here to help you create the standard size of the Stardust bouquet. This arrangement was inspired by the luminescent moon in the winter skies, with bright bursts of white from cream-colored florals to bring your customers the softness of the season. First, tuck your floral foam into the bottom of your half-moon container, just below the stars. Make sure it's trimmed enough so that when it's watered, there's no excessive flooding. Next, you'll add your holiday greens. I would recommend selecting cedar or pine, something that has a lovely drape to it, so the design feels fluid. Now insert your roses, keeping them tight and compact to allow for the softness of the greens to take center stage. Add your hypericum berries next. Make sure to tuck them in close to the roses. Finish this off with a couple pieces of eucalyptus. These should arch over the top and cascade down the container to create a waterfall feeling. Be thrifty. Keep shorter clippings in a bucket in your cooler for compact arrangements just like this. Thanks for joining us today. Your friends at FTD hope you have a successful holiday.